License cover still on it. What's up? Alright, so I'm back again. Cool. So I'm here to talk about music videos in Jamaica, but especially behind the scenes. Well, the music video that I shot recently. Let's roll intro. Alright, so the music video that I shot recently is called Rock With You by Tingz. Well, trust me, yo, that day it went very smooth. Well, for me, it went very smooth, but there was a little up and down as relates to the power source of the place that we went to, which was in, what's the name of the place? Bull Bay. Well, yeah, Bull Bay or past Bull Bay. They call it I think it's St. Thomas, right? We had a power issue with the place because the generator couldn't power the lights that we got for the music video. Starting a music video, there are quite a few things that you need to know about. Cool. Budget is one of them, because I realized that a lot of people in Jamaica, there seems to be a lot of low budget music videos coming out of Jamaica. In a sense, there's no lighting budget, so it's basically, oh, okay, a reflector and a camera, and that's it. Cool. Nothing is wrong with it, you know. Nothing is wrong with that. You still can get wonderful effects just by shooting your videos like that. But when it comes on to a video where you want to create a scene, a different scene, different energy, different vibes, outdoors in the blazing hot sun, yeah, so that was one of the main issues, because there was a part where we wanted to shoot the wedding part of the music video, but the place couldn't maintain. The place never had any the place had the generator, but there was some craziness going on, so we had to wait for the generator to come so we could shoot a specific scene. Well, which this scene was the dance scene, right? Immediately after we trying to shoot the wedding scene, we shot the dance scene after. You get me? I really enjoyed that set. It was really amazing. Everything just went smoothly, and it is always good to plan each shot. It's always good to have a proper treatment as well. A proper treatment, like, it needs to be very detailed. Cool. The shot list, the images of the shot list, so you can see it, right? So telling the story of the music video, so you can make sure it makes sense, and the cuts and everything like that. But thanks to the help of my AD, Davy Fresh, so we came together and decided on how the music video should look, right? So we had an idea of say, yo, so start the scene in the car, drop asleep, wakes up into a dream world, and then the dream world of different bits of pieces, but everything was shot on everything was almost shot on one location. Everything was shot in 3 locations, but the main location, there were a couple different locations on the main location, which had the reception, the wedding, and the dance scene. But trust me, like most music videos, there were quite a bit, like there were some difficulties, right? But we still got past that, because on the day we wanted a car in the music video, but apparently the person say they couldn't make it because my BMW can't drive that far. But that's fine. One of the talent drove, was it a Hyundai? Yeah, orange Hyundai. The BMW was red, so that would be a good color. But we just use the Hyundai and just say, yo, here we have to make this work. Cool, we have to make this work. And BTS for doing these type of music videos. It's always good to have a BTS version of a music video. But thanks to the artist Courtney, aka XO Tingz, for assisting with some of the lighting, which there was a scene where we had some ceiling lights, and that really helped, you know. Like, trust me, that really set a vibe. This is why when I am shooting videos, I like to make sure that I like to make sure that the artist, the AD, the director, we're all on the same page. Well, I had to be the director and also the DP, so we all have to be on the same page. We all have to understand, say, oh, this is the shot, this is what it looks like. These are the people we're going to work with, this is the non-scene, and everything has to be precise. Cool. I've been on set where I'm playing the DP, the light person. I'm directing some part of it. There's no treatment, there's nothing, no shot list, nothing like that. I'm like, okay, and you're supposed to put out all your energy, to make sure that video comes out as excellent. Well, I have done that quite a few times, but it's not an easy task, you know, when you're here trying to focus on one specific thing, because it is always good to have people on set that does specific things, because when you don't have that, it's going to be time consuming. Not only time consuming, it's going to feel unorganized. Cool. It's going to feel unorganized. So on the set we had quite a few people, which helped out. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for letting this music video to look and come out like this, right? There was a big what should I say? There was a big issue with the video, the editing process. So let me tell you the story. I accidentally deleted the footage for editing. I can't believe I deleted the footage. I was editing from the exact drive that I shot the video on. Right, so I shot the video to an external monitor, which is the Ninja V. But when I deleted the footage, I'm like, okay, I can't believe that happened. So I called up my friend Davi.
Yo, bro.
Yo, guess what? You know, so I deleted the footage by accident. No, me that edit them from off of the main drive. Isn't me? So it's like, yeah, me edit them from off of the main drive. So me never really did that.
So where you do? Delete it?
Yeah, so my delete. So me da copy over a folder, the BTS folder for the vlog. What I'm saying I gotta do, and it never. My copy to the drive. We have the same. The two of them have the same folder. I'm gonna click replace. So right now, my day sweat out hell my youth come to know what to do.
Then if I delete, then if I replace it. You never delete it directly off it. Then it's still there, man. You need to, brother. Download one of them recovery software. So search one and just download. Make sure it's up on the drive same thing. Cause if you delete, you have to delete it off the computer too.
But I'm going to DaVinci and I'm going to see it tonight.
Download the recovery thing. Show it there, brother. Now worry yourself. The thing won't there.
Alright, I'm going to try that.
Yeah, it won't there.
Alright, let's see how word.
That's not coming out back on the beta though. What that video?
Alright, no say a word, man. I go see what I can do. Yeah. What should I do? I'm like, oh shit. I just. But at the end of the day, I figured it out. So I downloaded a recovery software, which helped me to recover the files. Also, when I recovered the files, I'm like, oh, my head started. My head was hurting me, but it went down for a bit. But my head was hurting me so much because I said, shit, I deleted all of the footage. I can't believe it. What am I going to do? I called the artist. I told him what happened. He was shocked, but he was also relieved that something like that happened, because like he was saying to himself, say, yo, everything just go too smooth, something must happen for it to come out good. So he was saying that this was one of the greatest things that ever happened. Like, yo, trust me, the whole music video concept and the idea behind a music video and shooting it in Jamaica. If it's your passion to shoot, edit, color, direct, because I love what I do, I try to make sure, say, yo, whatever I'm doing, it speaks for itself. Cool. I don't like to brag and boast and stuff. I like my work to speak for itself. You have to love it. I have a link in the video in the description, so you can go and check it out. Alright, so that's it for this vlog. So like, comment, subscribe, and this is where I must say I'm out.